Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. One of the greatest things to mention in this particular video is about the participation of a frontline Indian warship in the first naval exercise with Saudi Arabia, and also to give more updates on this naval exercise. The naval exercise which I am talking about here is the Hull Mohed Hull Hind 2021. At the end of last year, Army Chief General M.M. Narwane visited the UAE and Saudi Arabia in a first ever visit by a head of the Indian Army to the two important Gulf countries, and this joint exercise is the outcome of that particular meeting. Just to give a quick recap or history behind this exercise, initially the plan for having this exercise between India and Saudi Arabia began in 2019, but later it was postponed. These types of naval exercises increase defense ties between the two countries, and in a similar way, Indian Navy engaged in naval exercise with Saudi Arabia starting from August 9, 2021. Al Mohed Hull Hind 2021 commenced on Monday, August 9, 2021, comprising a number of shore and sea-based exercises between the two friendly navies. The frontline Indian warship INS Kochi arrived at Port Al Jubail on August 9, 2021 for this particular exercise. The warship left for Saudi Arabia after conducting a Zayed Talwar drill with United Arab Emirates off the coast of Abu Dhabi. INS Kochi is the second ship of the Kolkata-class stealth-guided missile destroyers built under the code name Project 15A for the Indian Navy. INS Kochi was constructed by Mazakon Dock Limited in Mumbai, and after undergoing extensive sea trials, the ship was commissioned to Indian Navy service on 30th September 2015. INS Kochi was welcomed at the port by officials of Royal Saudi Naval Forces, the Border Guards, and the Indian Embassy. INS Kochi reached with two integral Sea King Mk-42B helicopters. Now that we know the INS Kochi of India is participating in the exercise, let's see the participant from the UAE side. As per the different sources, it looks like Saudi Arabia's guided missile corvette and a Panther helicopter were part of the exercise with INS Kochi. Indian Navy exercises with United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia are being conducted against the backdrop of the rising tensions in the Persian Gulf. So what actually happened or happens in this exercise? The Hull Mohed Hull Hind comprises a number of shore and sea-based drills between the two navies conducting tactical maneuvers, search and rescue operations, and an electronic warfare drill to enhance interoperability. So that was a quick and a small video to provide details on the Al Mohed Al Hind 2021 naval exercise between Saudi Arabia and India. I'll upload a separate video to provide more details on the INS Kochi. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.